Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a basic fire alarm control panel, and as you can see it is written there zone 1 and zone 2 indicator. So it has two zones right now, and this is a two zone fire alarm panel. So let's see what are the features in that. It shows the system on that. Since we are connected the power on it, now it's showing the system is working. There's a display panel. It shows on the display panel about the health of the panel, whether the sensors are okay or not. It is, as you can see, it's showing that the zone 1 and zone 2 alarm are healthy, and here you can see the mains are on, and it's not in the silence mode. And if any fault is there or any smoke is detected using the detector or any fire is there, it'll give the fire alarm for that. And if any of the zone or the sensors are open or short, it will show you for that. And this is for the respective zone number 1, and this is for the zone number 2. So these are other buttons also, which shows how to reset the panel, how to test all the zones, all the sensors in the zone. If the alarm is on, we can put the alarm to silence mode, or if you want to put any alarm to intimate the people, then you can press on the alarm button also. So let's see what is inside. So I just opened it. So it has two circuits over there, and this is a AC to DC eliminator, or you can call it as a transformer circuit. It is a transformer. It gives 1 ampere of current, 12 volts and 24 volts and 1 ampere. Now this is a main AC input over there, and it has an option that in case of electricity failure, so that your panel should be working on, so it can be connected to the batteries also. So you need to connect two batteries here to get 24 volt DC supply. A single 24 volt DC supply can give you a backup of around 8 hours. And this is the back side of the panel, control panel. This is the main programming IC, which gives instructions to the sensors, and it gives instructions to the LCD panel also. Whatever is the fault, then you can check it out from the LCD panel. So this this panel circuit is connected to the power supply section, and since you can see 4 relays are there, and all the relays have different work. So it is written there is a reset relay, the other one is a hooter relay, the third one is a fire relay, and the fourth one is a fault relay. So whichever relay is triggered, it will give the signal to the display panel over there. So this is the first zone, and this wire is being connected to one of the sensor. I'll show you the sensor also there. This is a fire detector, smoke detector. I'll open it and show you. So friends, I have just opened the top cover of that. Below you can see the terminals over there. You can see the company name and model number, everything on that. You can see the contacts, and I have connected these contacts with the wire towards the relay number 1. So as soon as the top panel is placed on that, and it's mounted overhead on the false ceiling, so this is a mesh, and this mesh gets the smoke trapped inside, and it will show you the indicator light over here. And as soon as this gets activated, it will give the signal to the relay, and this relay gets activated, and you can get an alarm over from this internal buzzer also. Otherwise you can install a separate hooter also over there. This is a basic overview of the panel. So in more of my videos further, I'll be discussing more about how the panel are connected, how they are work, how they are programmed. So thanks so much for watching my video.